It does look, wow.
Hey, come on. You can't take that many napkins. And you went back there, it's not breakfast time. You made yourself a bowl of cereal?
Yeah.
You're the best, man. Why do you need that many napkins?
I don't know. We could have bought napkins. I'm sorry about the waste. That costs money, it really does. Sorry.
I'm just wondering what it's for.
And then I want to go inside with the milk.
You didn't want to go inside and steal the milk? Like that would have been a step too far? What's all that green stuff? What is that green stuff?
I'll show
What
you.
is that?
It's almost something, I don't know what.
Okay. Well, don't tell my manager that I let you take all those napkins or that.
Don't worry.
I appreciate you cleaning that up right there. Thank you. And I won't tell anybody. I won't tell you anybody what I saw here.
Yeah.
But that's very creative, though. That's a very creative concoction.
Yeah, that really doesn't matter.
Thank you, my friend. You know, we provide toilet paper free of charge, right?
Yeah, real funny. I'm not funny.
At the same time.
Yeah.